Welcome to Halaxy. You've just joined thousands of medical and health practices dedicated to making healthcare better. Halaxy is practice and patient management software customized specifically to your profession and to your practice setup. Whether it's a sole, group, or large multidisciplinary practice, Halaxy doesn't just reduce your administration. Halaxy removes it entirely so you can get back to what really matters, treating your patients. With Halaxy, all you need to do is make a booking and everything is done for you. The invoice, clinical note template, patient record, reminder, financial report, and even the payment. This saves you minutes per appointment, giving you up to an hour of your day back. In this video, we are going to set up your practice, including your practice details and hours, and your practitioner profile. And then we'll create your first appointment so you can see how the Halaxy workflow automates your admin for you straight away. By the end of this video, you'll be able to start running your practice from your calendar, all in under 5 minutes. Let's jump in. The most important thing to get started in Halaxy is to set up your practice details. On the sidebar, click Personal, then click Locations. Click Edit, then enter your practice details for this location, including your business address, CRN, and contact details. You can also choose a color for the location. This color codes your practice hours for this location in your calendar. Now, let's add your practice hours. Next to hours, click Add another schedule. If you have the same practice hours every week, set the schedule frequency to weekly. Then, click Add New to add your hours in your weekly schedule. You can add more days or a different time segment on the same day. Don't forget to leave time for lunch. When you're done, click Save. Next, click Profile to set up your professional information. In the top right, click Edit and enter your personal details and contact email address. Now you can enter your qualifications, professional description, and areas of focus for your Halaxy directory profile and online bookings page, which we'll cover in a later video. When you're ready, click Save Profile. Great, your practice is set up. By entering your details once, they automatically transfer across to your calendar, invoices, and letterheads for you. You're now ready to manage and automate your practice, all just by making appointments. Click the Halaxy logo to open the calendar. Your calendar is now color-coded based on your location practice hours. Click a specific date and time in the calendar to create an appointment. Type the patient's name, then click the drop-down to add them as a new patient. You can then fill out as much or as little of the patient's details as needed. This creates a patient profile in your Halaxy software where you can add more details later. Next, under Fees, type the name of the service you're providing and click in the drop-down to add it as a new fee. For this tutorial, we'll be creating an initial consultation appointment for a patient covered by insurance. In the pop-up, let's configure this fee so you can use it again for future appointments. For funder, type Private and select Import Private Health Insurance Malaysia from the drop-down. Next, configure the details of the service you are adding, such as duration, the amount you're charging, and even the color for how appointments for this service appear in your calendar. These will all be saved to this fee for future appointments. If the patient is paying out of pocket instead, simply import the private funder and manually configure your fee. When you're ready, click Add Fee. Now, save the appointment. By using Private Health Insurance Malaysia, Halaxy automatically configures the claim settings. You'll be able to add additional patient information such as the insurer name, policy number, and NRIC or passport number, which will appear on invoices when billing the insurer directly or when providing documentation for patient claims. If necessary, you may also add a referral. When you enter these in the calendar appointment, they are saved to the patient's profile, automatically populating in the next appointment review. As you can see, just by following the simple process of creating an appointment, you've also completed several other tasks. You've created a new patient profile and saved their claim details. You've imported a fee and its details. You've automatically generated an invoice and a clinical note for the appointment. In the invoice, all the correct information is populated. You can even add your registration numbers, which will now automatically display for all appointments private health insurance fees at this location. This is the power of Halaxy. Everything is automatically linked, so you can manage every aspect of your practice just from your calendar alone. So now, you can say goodbye to administration and hello to a galaxy of health, where everything is automatically done for you, so you can focus on treating your patients. Welcome to Halaxy.